From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10. Powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, whitehatjunior.com and Reva University.
Ladies and gentlemen, in 1 week from now, we will know who the R, A and S are. They will line up at the Narcotics Control Bureau in the office very soon. Tonight, these stars are in panic. They are dialing their lawyers and trying to wipe out their digital evidence as the agency is on an overdrive to dismantle the drug citadel in Bollywood.
Last Saturday, when three actors, Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan, faced questions by the Narcotics Control Bureau, their answers reportedly were tutored.
सारा आपने कौन-कौन से ड्रग्स लिए सारा? एनसीबी आपसे पूछेगा सारा आपने वीड हर्ष लिया सारा?
Over the last few days, after analysing their phones, the NCB has got credible evidence against three top male actors. Superstar 1 is codenamed A, Superstar 2 is codenamed S, and Superstar 3 is codenamed R. And we can assure you that these three are very big names.
ये तीन नाम SAR इनको लेकर के कई लीड एनसीबी को मिली है, कई सबूत हैं एनसीबी के पास और एनसीबी जो है वो और सबूत जुटाने में फिलहाल लगी हुई है.
So Deepika, Shraddha, Sara and Rakulpreet are just the tip of the iceberg.
Well, if sources are to be believed, NCB is all set to call over and above these three megastars with the initial SA and R, 8 more top Bollywood stars. And that's what we are being indicated by our sources, that their numbers have popped up in the CDR list of the arrested 4 peddlers. And that is common.
Bollywood has hit the panic button, and in the next few days, more so-called superstars will roll into the NCB office. People of this country can be assured that this is the starting of a larger crackdown on the drug mafia in Bollywood, a mafia that possibly even had an alleged role in Sushant's mysterious death. Let's debate.
And we told you, Deepa, we told you, Shehzad Khan. I remember we told you that the questioning of Deepika Padukone, we told them Indrajit Lankesh. The questioning of Sara Ali Khan, Hema Sardesai, we told them Shraddha Kapoor was just the tip of the iceberg. They refused to believe. They said, no more. Pradeep Bhandari, we told them. Did we tell them, Pradeep? Didn't we tell them, my friend Pradeep Bhandari, didn't we tell them, watch out druggies?
Absolutely, yes.
Did they listen? No. What did they say then, Pradeep? You want to remind them?
No. Well, these were the same people, Arnab, who were saying that justice for Ria is something which is truthful. But as you remember that you had in fact told them that justice for Ria was an entire fake campaign in order to protect the drug lobby of Bollywood.
Yeah.
And as we know now that in days from now, the SANR and the big drug racket behind the Quan will be exposed. Yes.
Yeah. So my question then is to them. Hema and Deepa Vijayan can start the debate. Hema from Goa, Deepa from Thiruvananthapuram. That when SANR and all the male actors and the producers, directors all start getting summons to the Narcotics Control Bureau, tell me, Deepa, I'm curious to know, will you start saying, smash the patriarchy once again? Roses are red, violets are blue. Let's smash the patriarchy, me and you. When the male stars start getting summoned, will they say, Hema, smash the patriarchy then? Or will they accept? I can't hear you, Deepa. I can't hear you. Some problem with your audio.
Let me first clarify. Let me first clarify that I am not sitting here defending drugs. I do not take drugs.
You are just defending the druggies.
We are all
You're not defending drugs, but you're defending the druggies.
But we're not for selective cleanup. If you're talking about these initials coming up, and if the superstars are supposed to come up, let them come up. But all I'm saying
No,
is,
why are you on the
as
defensive
responsible
today?
Media, as responsible media,
No,
we
why?
should not be
Don't tell
doing
me about
selective
responsibility in
cleanup. We
media.
should
I'm
not be
responsible
allowing
enough. My
certain
question
names
is,
to concentrate
my
on
question
only
is,
one segment.
Shehzad Khan, listen, Mr. Khan, if all the superstars of Bollywood now start getting standing before the Narcotic Control Bureau, will people like you still say, don't pass a judgment on Bollywood, don't speak against Bollywood? It is not limited to Deepika. SANR. If the top stars are doing business with drug peddlers, will you still defend Bollywood, Shehzad Khan?
See, Arnav, let me tell you one thing. Bollywood only doesn't consist of actors.
Oh,
there are a
no.
lot of people whose livelihood comes from Bollywood. Okay?
No, but last
lot
week
of
you
houses, कई घरों का चूल्हा जो है वो बॉलीवुड से चलता है. ठीक है? पहले आप ये समझ लीजिए.
इनके घर के चूल्हे तो गांजा से चलते हैं ना.
ड्रामेटाइज्ड.
इनके घर के चूल्हे तो गांजा से चलते हैं ना.
नहीं गांजा से नहीं चलते. उन गरीब
चरस,
उन गरीब स्पॉट बॉयज का
गरीब
सोचिए,
लोगों
उन
के बारे में
लाइट्समैन का
don't
सोचिए.
shoot off their shoulder, Shehzad. That's very unfair. I'm not saying the garib people will stand outside NCB.
Why
I'm
unfair?
saying
They are part of Bollywood.
no, but you can't shoot off their shoulder.
See, अकेले से बाजार नहीं लगता. No, I'm not shooting on their shoulders. I'm saying, you asked me a question that what does Bollywood doesn't only consist of actors, it consists of technicians, it consists of the entire logistics. There's a lot of people.
No.
Our
I am
department,
asking you
there's so
about
many departments attached to Bollywood.
No. But my question was not that. My question was, you need to
Yes.
think, because Hema, if drug peddlers have a hotline with all the Bollywood major top Bollywood A-listers, why are they still in denial? What I'm not understanding is, why are they still in denial?
I would like to say one thing very clearly here, is that you guys, being icons for many people in India, you have such a huge responsibility. I'm requesting all the stars, the so-called stars who are coming out or are being questioned, are being exposed, I'm saying, come and confess. Say you did the wrong thing, because you did do wrong. There's no two ways about it. You did do wrong. And because, why wrong more? Because people loved you, people trusted you,
You let them down.
Children looked up and you let them down. So you have to come out and say, first of all, you need to,
confess for what?
Whatever you have to go through, you have to go through. This will ensure what the gentleman here is saying. This will ensure that the others in the industry will keep, the respect will be kept, and at some level.
Shehzad, what's the problem?
Second of all, I think they should all come out and say we need rehabilitation. We need to
confess for
join
what, Arnav?
Drugs
Confess
use
for something which they haven't done.
I want to
I
ask.
never said they
haven't
haven't done,
done.
and they should confess. If
The
they have,
entire
they
thing
should
is being
confess.
dramatized. Exactly. If something which
Are
they
you
haven't
saying
done,
the
if
NCB
somebody
is
gets a phone
dramatizing
number or
this?
Some chat comes out. and
Shehzad, are you saying that the Narcotics Control Bureau
this
is dramatizing
entire
these
thing-
allegations?
I'm not saying the NCB is dramatizing, but the entire thing is being dramatized for political gains. I
What are
will
the
say
political
that.
gains? Can you
The
explain,
entire thing is
please?
dramatized for
Okay.
political gains.
Explain to Indrajit Lankesh. I'm bringing him into the debate. Explain to Indrajit Lankesh what is the political advantage of putting all the top people in Bollywood before the Narcotics Control Bureau. What is the political advantage?
It's very. There is
I
a
just
certain.
want to get in here. The gentleman
there
was
is a
telling me
certain party
that it's
who
not
wants to come
just
in
the
power.
actors are not the whole of Bollywood. There are technicians, there are directors. I just want to intervene here, and I want to answer to the gentleman. He was saying that the whole Bollywood is not just actors. It all consists of directors, technicians. I agree with him, but I want to correct him. Those who are still in the denying mode, whether it's Sandalwood or Bollywood, I just want to ask them, they will be still in denial mode. But
Kunal Sharma would
the
like to
whole
respond.
technicians and directors are not the brand ambassadors of drug.
See, excuse me.
They are not the brand
It is-
ambassadors of
Shehzad is
drug
responding.
mafia.
It is the
They are
courts
not
who
the
will
brand
decide.
ambassadors of drug mafia.
let-
The actors are the brand ambassadors of drug mafia. I want to
It
tell
is the
them
bigger fish
also
versus the
that
smaller
it is
fish
for
today.
It is the
political gain.
court
Yes,
that will
it is for
decide who
political
is the
gain.
brand ambassador. No.
But
Yes, it is political gain. Yes, we know the elections are
and
coming.
also,
It's
I
round
want
the corner.
To,
And
yeah, the
some
court will
certain party
decide.
wants to come back in power in
But I
Maharashtra.
want to
Why
intervene here.
entire focus
I
is
want
on
to intervene
Maharashtra.
here and I want
The
to
court will
complete my
decide.
point.
How
I
can
just
you
want to
and me
complete
sit
my
and
point.
declare anybody
I just
brand
want to
ambassador?
complete my
How
point.
you-
Shehzad is on the debate.
I just
Shehzad,
want to
Shehzad,
complete my point
Indrajit
here.
Lankesh.
I
How
want
can
to
you call
complete
them?
my point here. They will be still in
can-
denial mode
making a valid
unless
point.
and
Yes.
until, as Kangana said, they should all
We will
get
always
into
be
a blood test
until-
or a hair follicle
is-
test
we are-
or a
we are- why you-
urine test. They will all be
Who is
exposed.
Kangana to
They'll all
decide?
be
Who is
exposed.
Kangana to say?
Just like sportsmen. See,
What
the
is-
sportsmen.
Kangana
the
has been
sportsmen,
supported by
of
certain-
course,
somebody's brainwashing her.
Actually, the film
Kangana
chamber.
has been
The
brainwashed.
film chamber should
Kangana
make
has
a
been
rule
brainwashed.
in the future now.
Kangana
in
has
the
been
future,
brainwashed.
they should make a
Make a
rule.
rule. The
As
people
they
film
should
chamber
go
will
in
work
for a blood
according to
test.
you
They
or
should
your
go in
rule.
for hair
Okay, rules
follicle
will be
test
made.
because in
For what?
sports, in sports,
in this
if you
time of
take
pandemic,
drugs,
you want
you're
me to
banned
go to blood
because of
festivals here?
Shehzad, I think it is suicidal of you to try and play this down. How much will you play down? I am asking you today, you are playing it down. Stop playing it down. It is a reality and Yuvraj will tell you about the reality. You are playing it down. At every leg of the NCB probe, there was an attempt by people like you to play down the findings by running various campaigns. When the Narcotics Control Bureau found credible evidence to arrest Riya Chakrabarti, allow me, Shehzad, you're not listening. When the Narcotics Control Bureau found credible evidence to arrest Riya Chakrabarti in the drugs investigation, some people like you started saying, oh, she's only having 39 grams of marijuana. Then you ran a campaign, blaze it up for Riya. You played down Deepika Padukone's drug chats. You said it was an issue of privacy. You said Deepika Padukone's privacy has been intruded into. You are the ones who twisted this. You tried to play it down.
Understand.
Kunal is on the debate. Okay, Kunal and Yuvraj. Kunal and Yuvraj.
Still be in a denying mode. If those, none of these actors.
The bigger fish versus the smaller fish today.
Kunal and Yuvraj.
Yes,
Kunal
I
and
believe
Yuvraj. Yes, Kunal and Yuvraj, please. 2 versus 2. Calm down, everyone, please. I'll hear everyone, but I need the windows made, so I can't hear everyone together. Kunal. Yes, Kunal first. Who goes
It is
first?
the bigger fish versus the smaller fish today, Arnav.
Who's the
yes,
big-
the youth is getting addicted. And to prevent that, we need to stop the supply and cut the chain. We need to find the peddlers and not talk about individuals. We agree
so we
that
should
the
not talk
individuals
about
who
the
are doing
stars.
This is wrong.
You are saying we should not talk about the
stars, but
consumers.
we should see a bigger picture. We should see a bigger picture. Why just the stars? Why just
Why
Bollywood?
touch the
We all
stars?
knew that this has been happening.
Okay, you tell me, why not question the stars? The stars are the consumers. The stars who are hold maximum clout and wield in maximum influence. You know, even global visitors come and meet the stars. The stars are considered to be the icons. If the stars are the
No, the
greatest
stars are the
peddlers
role
and
models.
consumers of
I
drugs,
agree to your
why
point.
should we not question them? You tell me.
We should definitely question them, but we should see the bigger pictures. We should
No, what
get the
bigger
peddlers
picture?
on board.
What bigger picture? You tell me.
Why just the individuals?
No, so we should not look at Deepika Padukone. You are saying that.
We should definitely. These are the role models of our country.
Yeah, that's why
The
I'm
young
questioning them.
people follow them.
No, who should I ask?
And it is right to question them.
No,
Whatever
no,
they
so
have
who
done,
should
they
I ask?
confess it
Did
in front of
I
the
bring in
CBI.
Karan Johar's name? Satish Maneshinde brought in Karan Johar's name. Karan Johar's
So
name
I'm
was brought
answering
in by
him.
Riya
Why
Chakrabarti's
are we-
lawyer. You ask him why he brought in Karan Johar's name. Did I bring it in?
But who are the big fishes? Where
I
are the
don't
big
know.
fishes?
You may
We
say
all
Karan
want to
Johar
know
is
who
a
the
big fish.
fishes are.
But Riya Chakrabarti's lawyer dragged in Karan Johar. I didn't. You don't
It's-
want to
it's
talk about
really
Sara Ali
important.
Khan, so who do you want to talk about? You don't want to talk about
I
Shraddha
want to
Kapoor.
talk about the
You don't want.
peddlers.
Who do you want to talk
Let's-
about?
let's-
Who do you want to
let's
talk
talk
about?
about the
You
peddlers.
don't want to
Let's
talk
talk
about the
about
big
the
fish,
big
but I
fish.
want to. I believe that they hold maximum responsibility in this matter. And Yuvraj
Equal
will tell you. I'm shocked at your response.
I agree to
actually.
that.
No, why are you saying why are you saying don't talk about it? Why did you play down Deepika's drug chats? When the Narcotics Control Bureau summoned Deepika Padukone over a drug chats discussing mal,
Sorry, I'm not getting
you
the
are the
audio.
kind of people who said she's paying for her courage and the ability to speak up. You are the people. Need I remind
Is
you?
she the only one who's
What do you mean?
Is she the only one who's smoking? I'm talking about the bigger
wow.
picture here. Why are we not seeing
What
the
an
bigger
argument.
picture? We're just talking about
Yuvraj,
individuals.
the argument being put, if you can hear me now, I don't know if you can. Gentleman here, Kunal Sharma, an advocate, makes the point, is she the only one who's smoking? Indrajit is very keen to respond. Yes, Indrajit, go on. Go on. This is an interesting argument. Is she the only one who's smoking? Does Prachi want to respond or Indrajit first? Prachi wants to. I think Prachi wants to as well. Prachi.
Yes.
Prachi first. Prachi.
Okay, you don't want to.
Prachi first. Prachi first. Prachi.
What I am, okay, so, yes, I want to say is, sir, that you have been saying that is she the only one who's smoking up, but I would want to also tell you that we are all aware that she is an idol. She is an idol and she has a huge following. Deepika Padukone, be it Deepika Padukone, be it Sara Ali Khan, be it Shraddha Kapoor, all these people are youth icons, they are youth idols. So yes, definitely we have to grab them first because the youth is getting influenced. And I also want to add to this that Shehzad sir, I know him personally because he's been an actor and I have been in touch with him. He has been saying that not the entire industry is about actors. We have crew members, we have production people, we have people working behind the camera. I do agree. But sir, all these people again they are influenced by all these top stars. So either they have to be in that lobby of drugs, only then they get the production work. I know it personally. Or if they cut themselves out, then there's a huge struggle behind it. So this
Shehzad, can you deny that? Shehzad, can you deny that?
Yes, this is what I...
Shehzad, can you deny that? I think she's...
Yes, there is a huge lobby.
Shehzad, Prachi Sharma has completely exposed your hypocrisy as well.
Yes. There is no hypocrisy
at all in this. There is a huge lobby which is involved, sir, and that huge lobby. There is definitely a hypocrisy. A lot of people from a lot of people. Sir,
there is no hypocrisy.
Definitely.
There is
Talent comes later. First comes the lobby. First comes the lobby. First comes how many connections, how many contacts you have.
What is lobby?
Yes,
Please
I have been in the field of Bollywood for 12 years, sir, and I understand that. So the lobby is that you have to be upmarket. You have to be upmarket. You have to be cream class, and for up. So I know that. That's why you're defending it because you've been brought up in this industry. That's why you've been defending it. That's why outsiders like Sushant come here and they are murdered.
And I know how this industry works.
Because that's why
Sushant
I know, sir, you have been brought up in this industry and I respect that.
What is the cause of Sushant's death?
But there are people who have come from outside and who suffer at the hands of the lobby system in the industry.
We are not finding that.
Yeah, but you have been playing down everything, Shehzad. Shehzad, if Yuvraj can hear me now, Shehzad, Yuvraj, you can hear me now. Shehzad, 1 minute. There is a discomfort. There is a discomfort that people like Shehzad have, Yuvraj, with big names being taken. Essentially, then they see it as an attack on the industry. When big names are taken, you see it as an attack on the industry. Yeah. I want Yuvraj to tell you the reality. Yuvraj, you are making this point in the backdrop of the breaking news that the names of 11 big actors, 3 of them extremely big, is going to come up by the NCB very soon. So there is a significance to what you're saying. I just want you to convince people like Shehzad, people like Deepa, to stop being in denial, to stop seeing our exposés as a targeting of Bollywood, not a cleanup of Bollywood. Yes, Yuvraj.
Arnav, I think
the media should act more
the biggest problem right now is that we say things before they happen because we have certain amount of facts. Now, the fact of the matter is that the NCB is getting out all the names out, and it's getting very evident that the big names are coming out. Yes, I agree that there is still time for the big names to come out. According to our sources, according to my sources, they are very big names. Unfortunately, people I've followed, admired. As an industry person, it is sad to hear their names come out in this. But, the thing is, it's going to take time to come out officially. Until then, these people will not accept. But they will come out. That's what we are trying to say. And the fact of the matter is, Shehzad sir, try to understand. These names will come out.
The names will come
If they
out.
don't come
I
out,
will not accept.
if you see,
The names will come out.
There's an inquiry process. There's an inquiry process we have to
For
respect.
political benefits. Let the names come out.
The names will come
No,
out.
sir, no, sir.
You won't believe it?
Come out. I
benefit
respect the
is-
inquiry process.
No, even when they are lining up outside the
We are
NCB,
also-
when they get the
we are also
NCB
saying
summons,
we
you won't
let them
accept it?
come out.
No, you won't accept it, Shehzad, even when they are called by the NCB, you won't accept it.
I will not accept it till my
That's
court
called
of law-
arrogance, Shehzad.
Till the court of law doesn't pass
No, what do you
its,
mean court of
judgment.
law? When all the
No,
evidence
I will
is
not
presented
accept.
before them? You
Till
know,
my court of law doesn't say that they are guilty, I will not accept. I will stand by
the
it.
entire country is asking questions today. You want to be there
Yes.
like an ostrich with his head in the sand?
Let the entire country ask questions.
You want to behave like an ostrich with its head in the sand? Hema, you heard that? Hema, you heard that?
Call me a kangaroo.
Hema, you're hearing, Shehzad?
You know what I'm really shocked.
my country.
What
Hema and
what I'm
Shehzad.
really
Hema will say
shocked-
something to you. That's, yeah.
What I'm really shocked about is when there is a connotation that, you know, this is something to do with politics. I mean, have we forgotten the gruesome murder of Sushant Singh Rajput ji? How can you forget? I mean, this is the reason why.
Ma'am, you really
Yeah.
have to take that back. You have no facts
Yeah.
to back the fact that Sushant Singh Rajput was a murder. It is sad and unfortunate that
Well,
you
I
sit on
think the
national
AIMS
media
has said
and
that
talk
homicide
about
is not
how
ruled out, and you're the
evidence
one
on-
without a single shred of
Wow.
evidence making these loud
and
claims
you
on
know,
television.
and
You actually surprised
excuse
me,
me.
Deepa.
Excuse me.
No sign
Hema.
of
There was no-
poisoning. There
one
is no
minute.
sign of
Excuse
murder.
me.
How can you sit on a debate and very coolly say that there is a gruesome
Well, because the
murder?
AIMS report says that homicide cannot be ruled out. That is her conviction.
There is nothing in this world where you can say it is not a murder. There is nothing in this world where you can
you have
say
anything to
that
say
he
it
was
is a
not
murder?
killed brutally. So
That is
when
when-
you, I have the right to say.
Wait for the
from what
investigation to
I have
progress.
seen.
Why should you
From
jump
what
the
I have
gun?
seen. Oh, so you haven't been watching any show? Looks like till now. You haven't been watching us, all of us on the rightist
every
side.
show. I
saying,
have been following
really,
the
you
news
seem quite
very
shocked.
keenly
You
about
seem
Sushant
quite
Singh
shocked,
Rajput.
dear.
There is
I'm sorry.
absolutely no evidence to
When
show
there is-
that Sushant Singh Rajput was a homicide or a murder.
I don't know
Ma'am,
why
you
you're
have
taking
no
Well,
this
the
personally.
CBI has not ruled it out yet. Please
Yes,
do
you're
check
absolutely
your
correct.
facts.
And let's go back to the
Yes.
issue. My question is here that why are you trying to play down the aspect of criminal conspiracy? And M.K. Raghavendra is a film scholar from Bengaluru. Mr. Raghavendra,
Yes.
I think it is very
Yeah.
important for the film industry in this country, Sandalwood or Bollywood, to come clean
Yes.
on this. This whole business of being defensive. And Mr. Raghavendra, let me share with you, our information is some of the biggest names. In fact, Mr.
Yes.
Raghavendra, the country will be shell-shocked very soon. I don't know whether it's a week or 10 days, but somewhere within that. The country will be
Yes, yes.
shell-shocked with some of the names who will get the summons and come under the NCB radar. In your
But
view,
is it going to be dealing or is it going to be possession?
no, 1 second. Dealing, possession, everything. Being in contact, everything. If you want to be very overindulgent about dealing or possession, let me tell you, dealing and possession are part of the same thing. Now, when the call detail records of actors, the biggest names comes out, and it is proven that they are in touch with drug peddlers. And when there are organized Bollywood companies like Quan, which are using drugs as part of a business practice, then it is beyond dealing and beyond possession. It is
Yeah, of course.
something,
I mean, if they're
it
part
is
of
the
the cartel,
business
of course,
use of
it's,
narcotics,
that has to be
which
taken,
directly benefits
nobody should be
Pakistan.
spared, you know.
I want to ask you this, Mr. Raghavendra. Can this industry afford to be in denial anymore?
See, I think this industry operates in very opaque way, in a very opaque way. And somebody here was talking about the industry as monolithic in the sense there are technicians. They are not. It's not monolithic. A lot of exploitation is there in the industry. It needs to be investigated in some way. What is going on there? I'm sure all of them are not in the same basket. There are a lot of people who are, underdogs. There are a number of people who are, exploiting them. So the whole situation, it's a kind of dynamic situation. It cannot be seen as some kind of monolithic thing where every Bollywood takes the blame for everything. There are obviously, from whatever has come out, Bollywood seems to be, there are all kinds of things happening in Bollywood and one doesn't really know what. And there are people at the receiving end, there are people who are benefiting from this.
No, I would
Obviously,
like to,
it needs to be investigated. For example, junior artists and top stars, top producers, they're obviously not in the same bracket, right? They're obviously in different conditions. So obviously, some people are, having a bad time. Other people are,
No. Why are you? No. The question is, the question is, Mr. Raghavendra. If you look at it in a bigger way, I can also ask how much should we look away from? Bollywood's narco-terror links are.
I want to make a very important point here.
The point is, if I were to give it the correct perspective.
Yeah.
The Bollywood drug cartel, its stars are under the NCB radar. They are aiding Pakistan's narco-terrorism efforts. Because if a drug cartel operates in Bollywood, it is the easiest way. And it is the easiest way for narco-terror to emerge. I don't know why we don't want to accept this reality and then call these stars misguided elements. Pradeep Bhandari wants to come in. Pradeep,
According to my sources, Arnab, I have a very important point. The panelists, sir, Shehzad, can I make my point, please? Shehzad, it's a request. Arnab, the Bollywood is not above the law. These are not. Bollywood is not above law. Now we've seen in the past.
We didn't say they're above the law. We didn't say it is above the law. We didn't say above the law.
Sir, let me make my point. Let me make my point. Be tolerant. Can you allow me to make my point for 30 seconds? Thank you. And now all of these people are defending the Bollywood as if thinking that Bollywood is above the law. Well, Bollywood, all these summons which have been issued by the Narcotics Control Bureau is all based on prima facie evidence. Whether it is all these A-list stars, they fall under the law of this country. And when there are prima facie evidences, we've known in the past that how Pakistan has used drug peddling, and a lot of people from Pakistan has very close link with a lot of Bollywood stars. So this entire racket is being exposed for the first time, and they talk about Bollywood. Isn't Sushant Singh Rajput and
Kunal and Shehzad.
Bollywood? Why do they think that the cocaine gang is only the
Kunal and Shehzad on the debate right now. 5 more minutes. Kunal and Shehzad. Kunal responding to Pradeep Bhandari.
What is he talking?
Kunal first responding to Pradeep Bhandari.
What is he talking? What is
Actors of Bollywood are not just the people in our country. Let us remember, we need to represent the youth. We are the youngest country, the youngest democracy. Arnab, it has been deeply penetrated the minds and the hearts of the youth of this country. And the Lutyens media will never talk about it, Arnab, but it is your duty and the viewers' expectations to see the reality of the drug problem of the youth. The youth is facing it today.
Yeah, so I'm saying today that Bollywood parties with Kunal, Bollywood parties, thanks for speaking for the youth, but Bollywood parties with Pakistan sympathizers. Pakistani stooges. Pakistani stooges. Pakistanis. Why is it that only? Okay, 1 minute. Here's a question, Kunal. Hema can answer that.
Yes.
Why is it that almost all the engagements of Bollywood outside India are handled by Pakistanis?
Let the Pakistans answer it.
No.
Hello.
Why? It's the Indian film industry. Why is the Pakistanis their representatives outside India? And why did Bollywood want to fund Pakistani artists even after the terrorist attacks in our country? Why did they want to employ after Uri? After the Uri attack, 1 minute, can you explain Pakistan's fascination? After the Pakistan terror attack in Uri, Karan Johar wanted to employ Pakistani artists saying, this is not a solution. Larger forces have to come together and sort the situation. Why do you want to keep doing business with Pakistan?
What I want to say
is, it's a relevant question.
Karan Johar.
No, I'm saying, why is Pakistan always supporting the divisive agenda in this country, even on CA, which was also Pakistan's line? Why was the line of so many Bollywood stars the same as the Pakistani line on CA? Tell me. Is it because narco-terror is being... Well, I'll draw a link between the angle of drugs and the support to Pakistan. I'm sorry, I will draw a direct link. I will draw a direct link between the angle of Pakistan in narco-terrorism and this Bollywood mafia's links and obsession with Pakistan. Shehzad, tell me.
So the big
why are they obsessed? Shehzad, tell me. Shehzad, tell me. I can't see the windows. Shehzad, tell me. What is this obsession with Pakistan?
Tell you what?
Why is Bollywood obsessed with Pakistan?
There is no obsession.
Of course there is.
Boundaries.
Of course there is.
Nobody is obsessed with anything. No,
there is a deep obsession.
No, not at all.
Indrajit Lankesh, am I wrong?
No, there is no obsession at all.
There is.
He didn't want to get into the individuals. He wanted to get into the bigger picture. I would like to answer to Mr. Shehzad. According to my sources, which is very much right,
Yes.
Arnab sources also mentioned that the NCB, while tracking down Sushant Singh Rajput's case, has got a lead to Pakistan. And these star celebrities are the bridge. So it's very much justified mentioning these actors' names because they are acting like the bridge to
Let them
Pakistan's
come out.
terrorists. And it is called psychopolitics.
Let
If
the
you
truth
have
come
heard
out.
about a word called psychopolitics, you will know the politics
Let-
of this drug mafia. If you have not heard psychopolitics,
know.
please go and get into the links. I have done a lot of research on psychopolitics. This is
Why
the
should I get
terrorists
into the
who
link?
are
You-
using
you
these
have done- you
Bollywood
have done
stars
enough of
as the
research, no?
bridge to the drug mafia, to expand this drug mafia in
Nonsense.
India, to influence through the star status, to
You are the
influence these
same
youngsters
person who made
and the younger generation.
Bollywood films,
This
no,
is
Mr.
called as
Lankesh?
a new. This
You
is
are
the
the
new
same
politics.
person who made Bollywood films, no?
Yes, I have made Bollywood
Yes.
films.
is-
I've made,
okay, you
I've
are
made
the same
Sandalwood
person who
films.
made
I've made Bollywood films.
no?
I've given it the name
So you must
of the
have
Sandalwood
experience.
actors who are into drugs,
yes.
who are in drug mafia. I've mentioned their names, and now they've been exposed.
Very good.
And I've also been studying about psychopolitics. So if you've
Okay.
heard about psychopolitics, this is a new war
Very
of the
good.
terrorists.
Very good.
If you've
I have
not heard about
It's
it,
not
we
my
will have
area,
another
and it's
discussion
not-
about this.
It's got nothing
But
to do
the
with me.
NCB,
We'll
according
have
to my
another
sources,
discussion on that.
have
Right
got
now
a
I've
lead to this Pakistan terrorists who are funding
No,
this, who are supplying the drugs.
Why is Shahid
They already
Kapoor
lead
quiet
the
today?
drugs.
NCB come out.
Shehzad,
Let NCB come out.
when Shahid Kapoor put out a film called
yes,
Udta
yes,
Punjab,
yes, yes,
he gave 1,000 statements on drugs. But now why does he not
Yes.
speak, Yuvraj?
Arnab, I want to make a statement.
Yeah,
No, no, no,
He's
see,
paying the
thing is
price
that-
for
Yuvraj.
Udta Punjab.
Yuvraj,
Shahid Kapoor is
You know, the
paying
thing is the names are out there.
He's paying the price for doing
People have
Udta
to
Punjab.
understand that the inquiry is going on. And
Yes,
people
he's
have to
paying the
Yuvraj.
understand
price
the whole
for doing
aspect
Udta
of this.
Punjab. Let the inquiry go.
yes, Yuvraj.
Yeah, see, the names are out there, Arnab. You know, the thing is that it's about
He's
time
paying the
that all
price
the
for
names
that.
are coming out. And Shehzad ji being a senior actor in the industry, I respect him. I'm also from the industry, and all I'm saying is that there is a issue here, and many people from the industry have accepted that there is a problem. I think we should have a sort of a joint policy to clear drugs out from the industry. I will not talk about Pakistan. I will not talk about narco-terrorism right now because right now NCB inquiry is what I'm talking about. Yes, there are a lot of names that are leaking out. Unfortunately, Shehzad Saab, some of them are very big names which are coming out, which might come out, which might not come out. I agree with you.
Let
But
them be.
the
Let
thing
them
is,
be. Let
but
the
you know,
names
we
come
need
out,
to
no?
clear up the mess that
By
has been
coming out,
created
they are
in the
not proven
industry.
guilty. But why
Correct, I
at the
understand, but,
time?
you know-
Why at such a time? That is questionable. Look at the time, which is questionable.
Why? What's there
There's a
about the
certain
timing?
It
party
is
which wants to come
definitely
back in
people are
power.
thinking there is a
And regarding-
diversion created, but
And
please
regarding
understand
this video,
that
regarding a
Riya
certain video
is-
which was...
Sir,
One second,
please.
my brother.
Shehzad ji,
One
listen
second,
to me.
let's not talk about Riya. Let us not talk about Riya.
Okay.
That video which was released, in which they have shown all actors, okay, by a certain producer. At that time, why was it not questioned by the ruling party that time? Why did not the ruling party give it a clean sheet that time? Now why?
Because
why
this
is your
matter
objection
was not
coming?
below
This
before the
video was
NCB
doctored
then.
that
For
time
your
by the ruling
information, it was
party.
given a clean sheet by the appropriate authorities then, but the NCB is looking at the authenticity of the video now.
Looking into that video as well.
Why is the video making you nervous? Viewers, let me repeat once again. I'll wrap this up by saying that very soon you will get news about the names, much bigger names, who are going to come under scrutiny. So just watch the space. Watch the space.